One of the biggest barriers for everyone with healthy cooking is this big, scary thought that it's too expensive.
All right. Perfect. I'm trying to keep my budget low, so I don't go over my spending limit. I give myself little allowances for the month, so trying to stay within that budget is very important.
So finding ways to make healthy options quick and affordable is really important. So we're hosting Healthy Eating on a Budget, and she's going to be doing an interactive demo with our students where they're going to break into 4 groups and cook 4 different recipes, all inexpensive recipes, different ways.
If you're at home, you're like, you know what? I just want like a really refreshing salad. You can add chickpeas or lentils to it, and you have like a complete meal.
I think it's important because when we go to the grocery store, we want to, minimize everything that we have to buy and be able to use ingredients in a multitude of ways, both to keep our budget low and to minimize food waste. So showing people that one ingredient can be the central feature in many dishes that have a totally different flavor profile can build our confidence in being able to experiment in the kitchen and make use of the things that we already have in our pantry. A group of us got together and formed the Culinary Medicine Student Interest Group because we have an interest in food and nutrition, and being able to show people that this is practical and it is doable on a budget, both with our money and our time, is really important.
So it's really challenging for our students because they come from all over the country, and so a lot of times the different types of food that are available in Texas might be a little bit different from what they're used to at home. So a lot of times you turn to cooking yourself to try to find some of those different inexpensive options that are healthy, especially when you're on the go.
All the advice from financial aid and how to stay in budget and use your resources, it's been super helpful.
So our goal is to be able to give our classmates, some baseline knowledge so that they feel empowered to be able to provide accurate, evidence-based information to patients when they have those questions about what I should be eating for, optimal health or certain health conditions that they have.